travel NFX. 15 weirdest foods around the world. From chicken feet to tuna eyeballs, here are 15 weird foods to satisfy the most daring of palates. If a bacon sarnie just isn't cutting it and you fancy something more exotic, how about sinking your teeth into some raw whale blubber? If that doesn't quite float your boat, don't worry, there's always a crispy tarantula. If you're hungry now, you won't be by the end of this article. Here are 15 of the weirdest foods to try on your travels. 1. Crispy tarantula, Cambodia. If the 8-legged freak is your worst nightmare, then it's debatable whether this option is better or worse. In Cambodia, don't miss the opportunity to munch on the local delicacy of a deep-fried tarantula. Apparently the taste is actually quite bearable. Think of a cross between chicken and cod, just with 8 hairy legs attached. 2. Sheep eyeball juice, Mongolia. If you ever needed an alcohol deterrent, this is it. In Mongolia, the traditional hangover cure is a glass full of tomato juice, vinegar and sheep eyeballs. It's full of vitamins and very good for you, but possibly the only hangover cure that'll leave you feeling more sick than when you started. Here's looking at you, kid. 3. Century egg, China. You'll need a strong stomach to handle this 100, or even 1,000-year-old eggs are black inside and are usually preserved for several months in a mixture of clay, ash and lime. They have a strong stench of ammonia and sulfur, so if you're after a pungent, preserved delicacy, this is the one for you. 4. Frozen whale skin and blubber, Greenland. Known affectionately to locals as muktuk, this oily, rubbery treat is packed full of vitamin C and D. The skin and blubber from the bowhead whale is normally eaten raw, but if you fancy something different, you can get the deep-fried version. 5. Chicken feet, China. Warning, this is a grisly little number. As the old saying goes, the Chinese eat anything with legs, apart from the table. Crunchy to the core, chicken feet are as popular a snack in China as crisps are in the UK. Wherever you go, you'll be able to grab a pack of these deep-fried morsels. If you don't want the snack food version, you can get them boiled in a soup, barbecued or marinated for hours, so you've got something to look forward to when you get home. 6. Maggot infested cheese, Sardinia. If you like ripe Stilton or a cheeky wedge of gorgonzola, then you might just enjoy this one. Cassimasa is a decomposed soft sheep milk cheese that is home to the cheesefly larvae. When you order the dish, you'll be able to see the insects moving, but be careful not to disturb them too much when you nudge the plate, as they can launch themselves 15 centimeters in the air if aggravated, before being eaten of course. 7. Escamoles and larvae, Mexico. Escamoles are the eggs of the very aggressive giant black lime topermants. They're found in the root system of agave plants and farmers often get bitten retrieving them. To prepare them, they are first fried up with butter and spices, then wrapped in a tortilla. The consistency is like cottage cheese. The taste is buttery and nutty, and they're widely referred to as insect caviar. 8. Pufferfish, Japan. Known as fugu in Japan, the pufferfish is so dangerous that it can kill you. Nearly all pufferfish contain a poison known as tetrodotoxin, which can kill 30 people in one hit, and there's no known antidote. People still eat pufferfish though, and put their lives in the hands of specially trained chefs who are taught how to remove the poison. Let's hope your chef has a steady hand. 9. Guinea pig, Peru. High in protein, low in cholesterol, what's not to love? Oh, the fact it reminds you of your beloved child pet. If you see kiwi on the menu, you're going to get a stuffed, roasted or flattened guinea pig. Don't think of fluffy. 10. Seahorses, starfish and scorpions on a stick, China. You need to be very brave to get your jaw around this one. In China, they serve all sorts of things on a stick, including seahorses and starfish. Be careful with the scorpions though, as you'll notice they're so fresh that some of them are still moving. 11. Developing duck fetus, Balut, Philippines. This one takes a boiled egg a step too far. Also known as the egg with the legs, there will be nowhere to dip your soldiers here. The egg contains an 18-day-old fertilized bird that still has its feathers, beak and bones, crunchy. 12. Dried lizard, Hong Kong. They're crunchy, crispy, but you won't get much flavor out of them. Dried lizards are a popular street-side snack and are often used in soup too. Sometimes they are even infused in alcohol and are believed to have medicinal properties such as being an energy booster, cold cure and even a weight loss aid. 13. Live octopus, South Korea. Sanakji is a dish that will slither down your throat, literally. In South Korea, the food is so fresh, they serve octopus live on a plate with sesame seeds and sesame oil. Just be careful because the active suction cups can grip onto the roof of your mouth or throat and become a choking hazard. Probably best to stick to the calamari. 14. Giant tuna eyeball, Japan. Like sushi? Well, how about an eyeball? Pop to a local Japanese supermarket and you may just find a large tuna eyeball looking back up at you. It's very fatty and surrounded by severed eye muscles, so definitely not for the squeamish. 15. Mouse wine, China. If you need something to wash all that down, check out these 9 world's weirdest alcoholic drinks. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching Travel NFX.